Hello everyone, and welcome back to Pedro Plays. I'm Pedro, and we're back in Cities Skylines, where we have built our first university campus here on this area. Not entirely sure what happened with this building, but what the hell? Okay. Let me try to remove it and place it again. See if it will go back to normal. Okay, we have two of them now here. Let me just check. No, we don't. So what happened? Fire maybe? Yeah, probably. Okay, no worries. Shouldn't be that much of a problem. Let's leave it there. It will go back to normal. Okay, people. So meanwhile, I have managed to upgrade our stock exchange to level 4, which allowed me to place, or allows me to place a couple more banks. We have a small one here. Let me see, what is the radius of this? Pretty big. Nice. Where can I fit this? I want to place one of these. Although they are so big, I am not quite sure where we can fit one of these. Over here maybe? I think it would be better here in this area. Right opposite to the university. Yeah, let's place it there. Cash collected last week, 768,000. That's a bank. Okay, so... And our park is on fire. Yeah. Not good. Okay. But let's allow the... let's allow the... fire helicopters do their thing. I'm actually going to place another one of these depots here somewhere. Perhaps alongside here at the end. Yep, let's place it there. We will have increased capacity for the fire helicopters. Okay, well, so today what I want to do is to set up our mass transit. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing, can we build monorail already? Yes, we can. Okay, well, so what I'm thinking about is just draw a long monorail line along this main road, okay, and where we will place those stops. Then I want to place some metro stations to serve these different areas. Okay, so one loop perhaps here in this area, another one in this area, which should be bigger, and right here we will have probably a small bus station, so everyone can get around. Okay, so let me see. I will probably follow the line along this side. We may have to do a couple of detours somewhere around here. Let me get this building and place it over there. So we can place a station right here. Can we actually do that? Yes, we can. It's gonna be tight though. Over here, I don't know. Let's see. Let's start it off from here, from our stadium park. Okay, so let's place the monorail station right over there, and then what is this? Could we draw this over this area? Yes, we can. Okay, so what's this? Large ice cream stand plaza. Okay, so this is also on the other side of the road. Okay, let's leave it there. Okay, so then let's go back into our monorail tracks. Okay, let's draw it over here. Let's see. If I place one of these here, it will be on the second square. Okay, so let's draw it up to here. Then I want to draw it out here. Okay, so let's see. Ideally, I want to stop over here. Okay, so let's bring it over there. Now we have anarchy on, so I'm going to move this a little bit over there. Yep. Okay, and then let's extend our line. Yeah, it will go through that area, no problem. This area is an area which was not zoned, and now over here, this is where it gets tricky, because I will have to go around this area over here, maybe. Okay. Can I actually draw it from here to there? Come on. Yes, I can. So let's do that then. Okay. So then. Okay, this will be a tricky part over here. Okay, let's upgrade this road. Let's upgrade this part of the road into monorail. Okay, now can we connect from here to there? Let's try it once again. So from here to there. Will it allow me to? Okay, yes it does, but I'm going to have to lower this path. Okay, so let's see. How can I do this? Okay, let's try something different. Let's remove these two paths. Then let's pick up this path over here. And now let's bring it down to ground level. Okay, and then I'm going to bring it over here, just like it was previously, and bring it over here. This could actually be a straight line. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, this won't work. Okay, let's remove this. And let me see if I can make a smoother connection manually. Okay, let's do this. So 2 by 3. 3 by 3. This is going to be tricky. 4 by 4 maybe? Nope. Okay. Let's remove that and let's try to draw that road again. See if it will actually work. No, it doesn't. So, what can I do here? Okay, I can do it that way, but then I need to make sure these paths can go over here. Let me remove our guidelines. Okay, so it can connect over there. Yeah, okay. Not the best solution, but it will work. Okay, so let's go back to our monorails. Okay, so I want a station right here, which will allow me then to connect from here to there. Okay, and then we can most likely, let's just snap to the angle. Okay, let's bring this over here. Once again, let's upgrade this piece of road to that type, monorail. So here, I think it's connected properly. Okay. And then let's take it off the road again. Let's place a stop right here. Okay, so this will allow me to bring this out here, connect it there. Perfect. Okay, so okay, another tricky part over here. I really don't want to remove these paths. Okay, can we actually, how high is this? Okay. Okay, if I draw this like that, does it work? Yeah, I think it does. I think it's not even, doesn't even need to be this high. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's draw it again. I don't want it that high, so let's say 6 should be enough. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and then we can bring this all the way through here and there. Okay, let's take this to the normal level. Then I want another station right here. Okay. And let's connect it straight from here to here. Okay, perfect. And another tricky one over here. This one I will be able to go around it without much problem. Let's see. I want this. So it would be 2 units apart from the road. So that's basically there and over here, I would say. Okay, so let's bring this over here. Let's curve it 5 by 5. Okay, then let's make these connections. Okay. This one will be trickier to do. Okay, here's what we can do. Let's grab this tool here to create a parallel road from there to here. Okay, let's do it from here to here. Let's increase the spacing. Should be around 30 maybe. A little less. 28. Okay. And then let's connect all of this together. So from here to here, and then let's use our curve tool again from here to here. Perfect. Then I want another stop. Okay, let me remove this bit. I want another stop right here in front of this road. Let's connect it as well. And what else? And ideally, I want another stop right here, which I will be able to place without any problem. Okay, so let me place it here, let's say. Yep. Okay, so then we can once again use our connection tool to make this connection right here. Yep, that's perfect. Okay. Okay, so we can get our monorail going through. I hope, if everything is working correctly, it should work. Okay, and here and over here and back again. So another stop there, another stop here, another one over here, another one over here, and another one here, and complete the line. Okay, so our monorail should be working in no time. So let's see. Here comes one of them. Okay, people, so let's see if we can follow it on the first trip. And here we go. Gets out of the way. Also, it will allow us to check if everything is set up properly. Okay, so we have this station right here. Okay, so then it's all the way around that roundabout into the next stop. There are people already waiting for it. Great. Hello. There you go. So move the road, off the road again. Next stop. And here it goes. Now here it goes slightly up. Okay, then down. Next stop. Around that area, around again. This looks like a roller coaster. I love it. And there it goes. Next stop, please. Okay, that stop at the end, it's not the one at the end. This stop, yes it is, it's the one at the end. It actually needs water. Let me get that sorted, otherwise it will not work. So let me just get this pipe down. Let's switch off the snapping. There, over there, and then over here. Okay. So, back to our tram. Yeah, tram. Monorail. Okay, so let's follow it on the way back. There it goes. By the way, how many passengers on it? None. That's fine. Hello? Oh, come on, seriously? How do you lose something this big? Okay, so here it goes now. Besides this, people, we will have connections. So this will we will have basically line of trams near the shore. Okay, and we have the monorails here on the middle street, on the main street here of the city. Now, what I would like to do also is to, I'm going to need to set these roads, would be to set up metro in order to move the people around those areas and allow them to use both the monorail and the metro to go from one point to another in the city. Okay, so nonetheless, the monorail line is actually working. We can check it here. How many vehicles are on it? 6. Not sure if you will need that many, but let's bring it down to 4 for now. Okay, so we would most likely have 2 monorails running on in each direction. Okay, so they will spread out eventually, but it is a long line. Four vehicles. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so now we have set up the monorail. So now, in order to set up the metro, let's see. So here, what I would like to do is to actually have a line That would come. Do we have anything else on that side? No. Okay, so this would be the end for them. Okay, so let's do the following. Let's add into our metro. Let's use our normal underground metro. I'm going to place a station right over here. I want another station right up here. And of course we will need one over here, which I'm going to place right here so people can actually leave the monorail and go across this path into the metro and vice versa. Okay, so this will be something that will provide them access to the industrial area over there. Okay, then I want, what do I want? Okay, so we have the trams down here, so ideally I want to have a tram stop, let's say right here. Then here is where this gets tricky, because I want to have here, let me see, how big is this? Okay, so let's place one of these over here. Yeah, I want one of these right here. Where's that path? Okay, so I want that right over here. So this will allow me to connect both onto this side and this side as well. Okay, so let's go back into the normal metro station. Let's place another one over here. Then I would have another one here. We have the trams here, so no point on having it there. So let's place another one of these right here, I would say. Maybe here. Yep, and this one will continue through to this area right here. This will be a bigger loop, so we can actually place one right here. Yeah, this won't quite work as I intend to. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, and let's place it over here. We don't have any paths going over the road over there. We will. Okay, people, so this one goes in there, and we have that one over here. Ideally, I want to have another one right here by the London Eye. So let's place it over there. This will be a bigger loop. We also have some bus lines in here, so most likely that won't be a problem. So let's place another one here, I would say, and then it goes there and back again. Okay, so I think that should work. Okay, so let's work on the connections for this. So let's use our network multi-tool. So from there to there, like this, and then from here to here, like that maybe. Okay, it had to, right? It had... Okay, let's draw this in manually, so it won't give us any problem over there. So I want this underground. Yeah, problem is we have a tunnel over there. Okay, can we anarchy it? Or that's a tunnel, right? Right. Okay, so let's actually get rid of this station here, and I'm going to do something else. I'm going to draw. I need to get rid of this line over here. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, let's go into our train. Jesus Christ. Our metro. Then let's bring it up to ground level. Snap to the angle. Snap to the angle. And road length. Okay. So let's bring it up there. Then let's raise it. Say 6 meters. Okay, and we have hit another milestone. 38,000 residents, people. Okay, so let's bring this up by 9. Let's bring this across. Oh, come on, seriously? Don't allow me to? Yes, it will. I'm going to anarchy it. Okay. And let me just fix this. Control H to that height. Yep, it's fine. Okay, and then I'm going to do something different here. This will be a long ride, but it will work. So, let me get a road in here real quick. Let's get our I want a road with parking. With median, without parking. 2-lane avenue with parking. Okay, let's bring this out here. Okay. Then I want to place a elevated metro station right here. Okay, maybe we need to bring this road a little bit further out. Okay. Let's draw the station. Okay. Now, can we actually bring it around here? Let's see. Yes, we can. All the way around here. And there. Okay, so now. Tricky part here will be how will I get this underground again? And I probably will do it. Where's the other line? Okay, so over there. So I will have to bring it around here. Okay, so let's bring it down to ground level. Okay. And then I want to curve it. So 6 by 6. And down by 9. Okay, so that will most likely allow me to continue and connect it to the next station, if I can actually find it. So let's bring it here and there. Okay, perfect. So we have the connection there with something different along here. Okay, and then let's go back into our connection tool. Hold shift, so from here to here. Okay. Let's bring this slightly off. Okay. Then from here, where's the next stop? To here. Okay, let's increase this. Okay, then from here over here. Okay. Let's set up our line straight away. So we have I always set up 2 lines around here. So one that goes clockwise and the other one goes anti-clockwise, so counterclockwise. Okay, so allows people to travel in both directions. So from there to here, here, there, over here, and there, and over here. Okay, so this one is set. So we have a nice big loop with the connections to from this monorail stations. Here we need a little path around here, so just a small simple path. Just to actually get people across from here to there. Okay, so people will be able to use the metro. Okay, this didn't look good. What happened here? Okay, let's change this a little bit. I don't think it really likes going directly underground. Okay, so let's see. Let's draw this here. And then over here. And then okay, let's remove this. Okay, then we can bring this out a little bit further. And then hopefully we can connect it. Yes, much better. Okay, so there in the back doesn't bother anyone. That should be working perfectly. Okay, so let's just adjust here this slope from here to here. Yep, much better. So that should be fine. And also I want to do it from here to here. That's a big slope over there. Okay, let's do it over here. Okay, over there. Yeah, 2.4, that's fine. Okay, so looking much better. Okay, and people will be able to travel across all of this area. They will be able to get from the monorail stations to the metro, and they will be able to use them. Okay, so just to finish it off, we have the other loop, which we will do as well. So let's see, from here to here. Okay. It's fine. Then from here to here. Okay. Then from here to here. Yep. Then from here to over here. Yeah, that would be fun. Okay, so like this. And then from here to here. Okay, so this will be Anarchidian, no problem whatsoever, it will work nonetheless. Okay, so then we have our other loop all around here. So comes this way, stops over there, that way by the industry area, and back again. Then from there to here, here, there, there, and over there. Perfect. So we have two big metro loops now in the city. People should start using them straight away, hopefully. I think this station right here will be quite busy. Where is it? So how do you lose a train? Metro station again? Oh, here it is. Okay, so let's see. Go into this view. Okay, so not many passengers using this yet, but they will. Okay, so our tram already being used by over 300 people. Yeah, perfectly fine. And our metro will start being used pretty soon as well. Hopefully this will allow to reduce the traffic somewhat in the city. Okay, now there are a couple of things I actually need to adjust on the stretches of road I have upgraded. So this will be okay, dedicated turning lanes. Dedicated here we don't need those, but here let's connect them again. So this one goes there, that one goes there, this one goes here, and this one goes here. Okay, perfect. Any restrictions? Nope. Okay, people, so this is actually working quite nice, apparently. So here people can actually, so you can see all of the people coming out of the monorail, and some of them are actually going into the metro, so they will be able to reach other parts of the city. So this will allow them to use the mass transit to move around the city instead of using their cars. So we have 4 lines at the moment. I'm just going to change the colors for some of them. So this will be red, and I'm going to change this to yellow, I think. Yep, that would be it. Okay, so that should be fine. Okay, so now regarding the use of this of these mass transit systems. What we also need to try to do is to provide people with access to the areas around them. Okay, so here let's place a couple of paths. Now they will have to cross the road here eventually. Can we actually do something like this? Well, we actually can. How about that? So let's do that. Okay. So they will be able to go across this area. We can do the same thing over here. So across, and let's bring it down again, so they will be able to cross the road without the need to go into those into the roads. Now, thing is, we need to make them so you won't be able to cross there, you won't be able to cross here, and you won't be able to cross here. So they will have to go around the paths and use them in order to go around from one side to the other, which will also allow the traffic to flow better in this area. Okay, so this was the most problematic area we had in the city. The traffic is not that bad, although here we are still having that same issue. Okay, can I actually place path around here? Pretty sure I can. So we have unlocked a couple more options. So let's see, let's go 5, let's bring this up by 7 meters, should be enough. Let's bring this across. So, sorry people, your business will have to go. And there we go, we have our paths over there, and now I'm going to prevent them from crossing here and there. There they will be able to do it because they don't have another way on the other side, so but there's not much traffic here, so that shouldn't be a problem. This may actually help. So at the moment already over 1,600 people using our mass transit system. So, and we have just set it up. Okay, so mostly are using the metro, but it's also the one that we have more lines, so that should be fine. And here in this end what we get is a different vibe to all of this area with the metro, as we can see here. Okay, so they will go through this area. Having a look at the canals over here, this area is quite empty, but so but everyone is actually using them at the moment, which is great. So 42 passengers here. This one has been used by 62. What about the metro line? 193. So I think we may actually need to increase the number of trams on this monorails on the line. Okay, we had 6. I'm going to allow the 6 to go across all of the line. Yeah, people. So that's it. So for today we have set up our our mass transit system, the one that we have at the moment. I'm just going to quite quickly zone these areas here, because we have quite a big need for commercial and also for offices. Okay, so I'm going to zone this one right here as offices, and I'm going to use this area right here for more commercial. Okay. Yeah, so I think it looks good with the elevated metro station right here. All of the people moving around. I think that's nice. Okay, people. So for today, let's leave this episode here. Okay, we have set up our, or at least part of the mass transit for the system, for the city we have built so far. Okay, probably we will extend it later on and do some other connections, but we will get to it in further episodes. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching once again. Please leave your comments and any suggestions down below. Like the video and also subscribe to the channel if you feel like to. Okay, and I'll see you soon in the next episode.